I'm going to show you the working method to download GTA San Andreas on your iPhone or Android. Let's dive right in. First, let's make sure your device is compatible with the GTA San Andreas. The game requires at least 2.5 GB of free space and a fairly modern processor to run smoothly. To check your storage space, go to Settings on both Android and iPhone, and then on Storage, and make sure it is compatible. Also, ensure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. The game file is quite large and a stable connection will help avoid interruptions during the download. Now, let's download the game from the official app stores. For Android users, open the Google Play Store, and for iOS users, open the App Store. In the search bar, type GTA San Andreas and look for the official game by Rockstar Games. Tap on the game, then install, and simply click on Get. And when it's done and installed, open the game. For the first time, you may need to set up some initial settings. Follow the on-screen instructions and adjust the settings according to your preference to ensure the best gaming experience. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you download and install GTA San Andreas on your Android or iOS device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips.